moment of English cafe. I am standing in front of you to cook something tasty and delicious. The task given by our respected mentor Sir Aayan Sheikh. I gonna make a recipe. This is tasty and healthy recipe is omelette sandwich. So guys, let's get started. The ingredients which are used in the recipe like mozzarella cheese, onion, capsicum, tomato, egg and some black pepper powder and bread. Now they are chopped in small pieces like this. So let's go, we can cook them. Firstly, on gas flame. Now we can put some oil in pan. Heat properly. Now we put chopped onion in pan. Now we have to saute it till 5 minutes like this. Saute. Like this. Ready. Now after 5 minutes I can add some capsicum. Mix it well. Add some tomato. If you want, you can also use red and yellow capsicum. Add some salt as per your taste and black pepper. It mix well like this. After 5 minutes we can see veggies are ready to next procedure. Now you are using 2 eggs in this recipe. Now we add some salt and black pepper. Mix well like this. Now we have used bread slice and cut it into square shape like this. You can cut in square size like this. Now it will look like this. Add some veggies and slice of breads and place it like this. Add some egg. Add properly and add some mozzarella cheese. And take a slice of bread and press it well and cook both sides minimum 1 minute. You can see it was very tasty. As we can see now we can see it cooked both sides. It is ready for plating. It look like this. Now we can see it's very cheesy, like it's also very tasty. Like, look. Thank you guys for watching this video.